We are thrilled to be with you today. What a great opportunity. My name is Jared Nisley, and with me is the incredible Kyle Draving, who's behind a lot of the architectural wonders that we're going to be hopefully sharing with you today. A little bit about our company, just before we get started. Fizen Technology was established 10 years ago, and I've had a number of people ask me at the conference today, well then why are you here? It seems like a lot of people who come and present are new startups. But our company has been around for the last 10 years. We've been on over 100 different system implementations with banks and financial organizations. And what we're going to be showing you is really, it's really emerged over the past 10 years from a lot of those project efforts with banks, specifically as it pertains to compliance. So the tool we're going to be showing you is a RegTech tool. I hope you're excited about RegTech. Some people hear compliance and they begin to fall asleep, but we're real excited about what we're going to be showing you. Our company and the product are SOC 2 Type 2 compliant. And for us, this is really, really critical. It shows that our company has invested a lot of time and effort into establishing policies and procedures that protect our customers' data. And we know that if you're interested in using our Verify product, that the protection of that data and its security is of utmost importance. So Kyle, if you want to get us logged in to the Verify tool, you can see this looks like a work list, and it is a work list. One thing that I just want to point out very quickly is banks have a lot of systems they're already using. You have your core, you have a front office, back office, content management system, relationship management systems that you're using. We understand that you probably don't want another tool to log into. So the UI that I'm going to be showing you, it's an option that is available to you, but you don't have to use this UI. If you want to stay in your current front or back office system, you are welcome to do so. There's an entire API layer that we won't be showing today because who wants to look at API layers, right? But there's an entire layer that can be used to integrate and that has been integrated to many other systems. Now on this work list that's in front of you, you can see there's individuals and there's companies. The Verify product is used for compliance screening, and it has application within both the retail and commercial setting. So the product is a very configurable platform that can be used in a lot of different ways. On the screen, we have individuals and customers listed. Kyle, if we want to open up the first row there, let's just dive into this customer account. You can see here there's different colors. These are different functional areas that the Verify product helps you to uncover and discover and analyze. The product is a screening tool, and by that we mean that there's a lot of different tasks that compliance teams need to complete within a banking or financial setting. And often these tasks are taken care of by different functional groups, and it can be hard to communicate and integrate the data that's flowing in from these varied sources. Verify is built to help you consolidate that information, to centrally store it and analyze it in one place. You can see we have BSA and AML tasks and functions to help you navigate those complexities. There's risk prevention functionality, as well as compliance tasks that can be completed. Kyle, if we want to go into the OFAC check there. So we know OFAC is a very common function that needs to take place within a financial institution. Verify has already been pre-integrated with data sources to pull in that OFAC data. And this is a really important point. Verify does not host your data. We are not the data source, if you will, for OFAC or KYC or negative news searches. We've already integrated with third parties to pull in that data. So if you have data today as a bank or a credit union that you like, you can keep that data. We pull in that data into a central storage area for analysis and further discovery. Also, something I want to point out is throughout the product, it has embedded reporting. We've worked on a lot of platforms that reporting is like a separate function, or you're nearing the end of an implementation, and reporting is kind of rearing its ugly head. Oh, we need reports. Reporting's been baked into the system throughout. Kyle, if you want to go ahead and collapse that. Let's go up to the top of the summary section within the customer view. There we go. So there's these different functional areas that the Verify product helps you to address from a compliance perspective. And then all of that data is summarized in simple to review pass-fail checks. This allows an analyst to go in and very quickly see where a client account sits and where the troubles may be from a compliance perspective. We cover hot file, restricted industries. Is it a money services business? Our goal is turnkey implementations. The product does everything for you upon initial installation. Kyle, if we want to go up to our dashboard really quick. Here's a reporting view for you. We just want to stress it is your data. We don't hold your data. You can export it and access it at any time. If you're not happy with one of the data sources or its quality, we can swap out that data source with data from another provider. This just gives you the power to digitize your operations without having to worry about the providers that you're relying on or accessing. And if you need to switch those data sources, you can. Kyle, can you hover over the admin dropdown? We've been asked, where in the process does the Verify product come into play? The answer is it interacts with you throughout the workflow process. So originations, funding, even contract maintenance. There are something we call Verify events that help you to run transactional reviews of your portfolio on a recurring basis. So that's just a little bit about the Verify product. Kyle, if you want to go to our core webpage. If you have any more questions, you can check us out at fizentech.com, and we look forward to talking to you more. Thank you very much.